Question number 16, paper 1, variant 1, June 2013. Mariam makes two geometrically similar cakes. The heights of the cake are 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So this height is 6 and this height is 9. Mariam decorates each cake with a ribbon around the outside. The length of the ribbon for the larger cake is 66 centimeter. So this ribbon is of 66 centimeter. Find the length of the ribbon of the smaller cake. So two cakes are geometrically similar. So when the 9 centimeter is the larger cake height and the smaller height is 6 centimeter. So the 66 centimeter is the length of the ribbon which is applied to the larger cake. So what will be the length of the ribbon applied to the smaller cake? So it can be written as 1 centimeter. If it is 1 centimeter, the smaller will be 6 upon 9 centimeter. This 9 goes denominator to this, and this larger one must be make 66 centimeter. So we have to multiply 66 with both sides. So 66 multiplied by 6 divided by 9 centimeter. So it becomes 66 centimeter. The larger becomes 66 centimeter. Then the smaller must be, we can divide it by 3. 3 to the 9, 3 to the 6. 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. So 22 multiplied by 2 is 44 centimeter. So when the larger is 9 centimeter, smaller is 6. When the larger is 1 centimeter, smaller becomes 6 upon 9 centimeter. Actually, we write 1 centimeter because we have to make this one is 66. So when I find 1 centimeter, it is easy to make it 66 by multiplying both sides by 66. When it becomes 66, we multiply 66 to the smaller one. When simplify it, it becomes 44 centimeter. When it is 66 centimeter, the ribbon of the smaller cake must be 44 centimeter. The correct answer is 44 centimeter. Move to part B. Mariam uses 1600 meter cube of cake mixture to make the smaller cake. Find the volume of the cake mixture she uses to make the larger cake. So two similar cake. So we apply the formula of L1 upon L2 the cube to the V1 upon V2. So it is the formula for the similar volume. We take the side, corresponding side, the cube of the corresponding side, so, or we may take the height. So we are giving the volume of the smaller cake. So we write 6 upon 9, the correspondence height of the cake. So the cube become V1, the smaller volume is given as 1600, and we have to find the volume of the larger cake. So simplify it to 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9, 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27 is equal to 1600 upon V3. Further, it can be simplified as V3. We apply cross multiply here, so V cube or the V2, the V2, the volume of the second one is 1600 multiplied by 27 divided by 8. So 8 1 the 8, 8 to the 16, 0 0. So volume of the larger cake is 200 multiplied by 27. So 700, 700, 7 to the 14, 200, 200, 2 to the 4. So 0045. So volume of the larger cake must be 5400 meter cube because it was a smaller cake was 1600 meter cube, so it will be 5400 uh, meter cube. Now we have to reply in centimeter cube. So we see that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and the 1 meter cube must be 100 centimeter cube. So it will become 1 meter cube is equal to 100 00 00 unit 10 100,000 10,000 100,000 100,000 centimeter cube. So we must multiply 5400 by 100 10 100,000. So just 10 100,000 6012345 6. So ultimately it become 5400 and 60 centimeter cube. So the correct answer is 5400 centimeter cube. Answer in marking scheme is written as 5400 only. No unit is mentioned there, but it is meter cube because we put the value 1600 meter cube. So we got the answer in meter cube and we have to reply in centimeter cube. So we must convert it into centimeter cube by multiplying with 10 100,000. Quite easy question. Still, if you face any problem, you may write in comment. I will reply you inshallah.